Most people think getting rich starts with money. It doesn't. It starts with who you are when nobody's watching. You can read all the books, take all the courses, and still stay broke. Because getting rich has less to do with your bank account and more to do with how you think. You don't become rich by chasing money. You become rich by becoming someone money can't ignore. The problem is, everyone wants the outcome, but no one wants the transformation. People say they want wealth, but what they really want is comfort. They want to look rich, not become rich. But true wealth demands discomfort. It demands sacrifice. It demands saying no to your old self, the lazy, distracted, and fearful version of you. That's why most people never make it. Because they want freedom without discipline. They want success without struggle. They forget that money doesn't change you. It reveals you. Getting rich is not about finding the right business idea or crypto coin. It's about building a mind that attracts opportunity. Rich people don't just think differently. They see differently. While others see problems, they see possibilities. While others spend to escape pain, they invest to create power. They've trained their mind to ask, how can this make me better? Instead of, why is this happening to me? Getting rich is not about luck. It's about becoming the kind of person who creates their own luck every single day. The truth is, you don't chase wealth. You attract it by becoming valuable. And you don't become valuable overnight. You become valuable when you stop wasting your potential. When you start doing the boring things consistently, reading, learning, improving, showing up. It's the small habits you repeat in silence that determine how loud your success will speak later. So stop trying to get rich fast. Start trying to become the kind of person who can stay rich. Because money follows growth, and if you stop growing, the money stops too. Getting rich is not what you think. It's not a goal, it's a consequence. A consequence of discipline, mindset, and relentless self-improvement. You don't need to chase money. You need to evolve, and the money will find you. Because in the next video, I'm going to expose why most people stay broke, even when they start earning more. It's deeper than budgeting. It's psychological. And once you understand it, you'll see money differently for the rest of your life. So if you're serious about breaking that cycle, hit the subscribe button right now. Don't just watch from the sidelines, grow with me. Because truth is, our mindset might be the only thing standing between us and the life we want. And together, we're about to change that.